Donald was driving while having a fever when he suddenly felt a sneeze coming. Not wanting to mess up his car, he pinched his nose and held it in. But the pressure was so intense that his windpipe tore slightly, causing air to leak into his chest. He felt extreme pain, swelling in his throat, and completely lost his voice. At the hospital, doctors found a 2-millimeter hole in his windpipe. They warned that if the pressure had been any stronger, it could have ruptured his lungs, damaged his eardrums, eyes, or even his brain. Luckily, the hole was small, and Donald recovered in a week. But don't ever try this. Holding in a sneeze could shut down your system permanently. Subscribe to Mr. Chips for more.